Hi, muli na naman tayong nagbabalik. Meron na naman tayong online job ngayon na tatalakayin at ito ay si aligner.com. Then meron din silang application. So, Aligner, search na lang po sa Google Play Store. Ano ba ang um, mga hiring dito? So, yung mga job nila is meron silang Tagalog language expert. So, put your Tagalog fluency to work shaping the future of AI native speaker wanted fully remote, flexible, and well-paid. And meron din silang AI quality insurance specialist, English writing generalist, advanced, document review specialist, image description specialist, English writing generalist, and English writing generalist same lang. So, generalist, content reviewer, AI training specialist, video annotation, image description specialist. So, you can click all job. So, meron silang writing and literature expert, English, healthcare and medical expert, quality insurance, AI expert, AI language experts, Italian AI voice trainer, Spanish. So, madami silang hiring po dito. So, explore pa natin. So, dito makikita po natin yung ating earnings. So, bago pa nga lang ako, so wala pa talaga tayong earning dito. Ayan, sana ay matanggap. At meron ding settings dito. Ayan, tingnan natin. You don't have earning yet. Saan pa ba? So, explore natin home. So, try natin yung audio. So, ATC transcription English. So, pag mahilig ka sa transcription, mabilis ka mag-type. Ayan. Bagay ka dito. AI voice trainer. Voice recording specialist. Audio transcription specialist. Madami. Patuloy po din yung language. Ayan. Pag language dito is teacher and tutor, AI training, put your teaching expertise to work shaping the future AI subject. Welcome, flexible remote, no experience needed. Ayan. If marunong ka mag-Chinese, Mandarin, Italian, French, if expert ka dyan, Malay, Tamil, Korean, Portuguese, Turkish, Arabic, German. So, bagay ka dito sa language translation. French, Romanian, Swedish, Portuguese, Hungarian, Norwegian, Hebrew. So, I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. So, search lang po, app.aligner.com. So, meron din silang app talaga sa Google Play Store. You can download it para madali lang po kayong mat-notify or kung maghanap kayo ng trabaho, hindi na kailangan magdala pa ng laptop, yung cellphone, okay na. So, yun lang po. Hope na may natutunan po kayo sa video na to. Share, like, and subscribe.